The Mountain Within. In a quaint little village nestled at the base of towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Arjun. His life was simple, yet he had a dream that seemed impossibly grand for someone from his humble background. Arjun wanted to conquer the highest peak in the range, a mountain so treacherous that even seasoned climbers feared it. His dream was met with ridicule. Arjun, climbing that mountain is madness, villagers would say. His father, a farmer, advised him to focus on plowing fields instead of chasing futile dreams. But Arjun was resolute. He believed that the mountain was not just a physical challenge but a metaphor for overcoming life's struggles. Arjun began preparing for his climb. Every morning before sunrise, he would run up the smaller hills surrounding the village, carrying a sack of rocks to build his strength. People mocked him, calling him the mad climber, but Arjun didn't waver. His mantra was simple, never give up. Months turned into years, and Arjun's dedication never faltered. He studied maps, learned about climbing techniques, and saved every penny to buy the necessary gear. Finally, the day came when he stood at the base of the mighty peak, staring up at its snow-covered summit. It looked intimidating, but his heart was filled with determination. The journey was grueling. The first few days tested his endurance as he navigated rocky terrain and icy winds. He slipped and fell multiple times, bruising his hands and knees. Each night, as he sat in his small tent, exhausted and shivering, he thought about giving up. But then he remembered the villagers' doubts and his own promise to prove them wrong. One more step, he would tell himself. Just one more step. As he ascended higher, the challenges grew tougher. At one point, a severe snowstorm trapped him on a narrow ledge. He spent an entire night clinging to the rocks, fighting fear and frostbite. When the storm subsided, he found his resolve stronger than ever. The mountain is testing me, he thought. But I won't back down. On the final stretch, Arjun faced his greatest challenge, a vertical ice wall that seemed impossible to scale. As he stood at its base, self-doubt began to creep in. What if I can't do this? What if everyone was right? But then he remembered the countless mornings of training, the sacrifices, and the unwavering belief that had brought him this far. He took a deep breath, grabbed his ice axe, and began climbing. His arms burned, his legs trembled, and the icy wind whipped against his face. But he refused to stop. Inch by inch, he made his way up, driven by sheer willpower. When he finally reached the summit, tears streamed down his face. The view was breathtaking, but what overwhelmed him was the realization that he had done it. The impossible dream had become a reality. Arjun planted a small flag he had carried with him, a symbol of his journey and determination. When he returned to the village, he was no longer mocked. The same people who had doubted him now cheered for him, inspired by his story. Arjun became a beacon of hope, teaching others that no dream was too big and no obstacle too daunting if you refused to give up. Years later, when asked what kept him going, Arjun would simply smile and say, "The mountain wasn't just outside, it was within me. Conquering it was about proving to myself that I could rise above any challenge." And so, his story became a legend, reminding generations that the key to success lies in perseverance and the courage to never give up.